Eclipse, here you have to double click. This is one way. If shortcut key is not there, use this. If shortcut key is not there, you open this one. Right, this one. First one, double click on Eclipse shortcut icon on desktop. Otherwise, double click. I didn't write. Okay, 1 minute. Double click on Eclipse shortcut icon. Double click on Eclipse shortcut icon on desktop. That is one way. Double click on Eclipse icon in the following folder. So if you don't get a shortcut key, use this one, because this location first important. Shortcut key may or may not be available. Users folder, user, Eclipse, JEE. This is your user. Maybe your username will be there. Okay. In your laptop, while creating user, whatever given, that name appears here. Only this word, this year only different appears, remaining same. Double click on Eclipse shortcut icon on desktop. Double click on Eclipse icon in the following folder. Okay, that is first step. Next. Is it over? So either double click on shortcut icon or double click on in this folder. See here, I'll double click. It is started. Now it will ask workspace. Here workspace by default here in my system in this location installing in this. Okay. Now you right. Select the workspace. What is workspace? I'll give. Select the workspace by clicking on browse button. Default workspace is so in my system, this is a default workspace. Suppose just here I'll write user. Now in my system, default workspace is Eclipse stores projects in a folder is called workspace. Eclipse stores projects in a folder is called workspace. Eclipse stores projects in a folder is called workspace. Suppose you'll write Eclipse programs, but where are your program? You'll search again. That's what this workspace you should know. Suppose later you want to copy in pen drive. From where you'll copy? From this folder you have to copy. That is called workspace. What are the programs you are going to write in Eclipse? Those all going to be stored in this location by default. If you want to change, click on browse button, change. Suppose D drive you want to save, E drive if you want to save, click on browse button, select D drive or E drive. If you want to continue with the default continue. After writing programs, all programs you want to copy in pen drive, go to this location, copy. Okay, that is workspace. Eclipse stores projects in a folder is called workspace. Default workspace is this one. While writing program, if any problems comes, no need to uninstall Eclipse. Just delete this workspace, again create new workspace, it works. If any problem occurred, because it will set the environment for workspace. That is the reason this folder you can delete. Again, it will be created automatically. Like that also you can continue. If any problems comes. Is it over? Now here you can click on browse button. You can select where you want to save. C drive, D drive, whatever is there in your system, drives, E drive, F drive, like this you can select. Otherwise, continue with the default workspace. After that, see, use this as the default and do not ask again. If you select this checkbox, next time this dialog box will not come. Always it will take that one only. Okay. But after selecting also, if you want to change, possible. Again, after opening also possible. Now click on launch button. Ready, son? Click on launch button. Click on launch button. Click on launch button. Is it over? Like this, you can start Eclipse. Like this, you can start Eclipse. Say, is it over? Say here, by default, actually welcome file comes. This is by default, this welcome file comes. Welcome page. This welcome page appears. You can close this page. Here, help, again welcome, if you click, again appears. Here, with this, what will be there? You observe tutorials, samples, new features, overview, every environment. Complete user guide is there. User manual like. Now, without any tutor, you can learn yourself. Tutorials are there, samples are there, new features are there, environment overview also is there. Each and every menu, each and every page, everything, toolbar icons, everything, information is there. Without any tutor, you can learn yourself. It is just like a MS Word, MS Excel, PowerPoint, that type. It is one tool, that's it, IDE. Okay, you can learn yourself also. How to write one welcome program in Eclipse? Screenshots are there. How to write JDBC program in Eclipse? Screenshots are there. What you have to do, click, what you have to second next to click, what that is all, everything, screenshots are there. Without, no need to go for YouTube videos, no need to go for Google. Here only is there. In this software only tutorials are there. In this software only samples are there. You can click, you can watch. This will come. Okay. Now, here, this is totally called perspective. This is totally called perspective. So here, I'll close this. Right click, close. It is closed. Again, window perspective. Here, open perspective, other. In this, Java is there, Java double is there. Suppose in your Eclipse, Java double is not there. That means you downloaded Eclipse for Java. If Eclipse Java double perspective is there, so it's also possible. How to open perspective? What is perspective? You have to learn. Not done. Next. Perspective. It is called as a perspective is a perspective is a layout of views and editors. A perspective is a layout of views and editors. A perspective is a layout of views and editors. See, suppose I'll open this one. You observe so many are there, no? Here, Project Explorer, it's a one view. Here, see, markers, properties, servers, data source explorer, snippets, terminal. Here, outline. These are called views. Writing program purpose, this environment, it is called editor. Editor comes here. This totally called perspective. It is a layout. On that layout, there is a Project Explorer, here server, here outline, here markers, like that we have some views. All views and editors will call it as perspective. There are many perspectives. See, open perspective, open perspective, other. Here, Java perspective, Java EE perspective, GPA perspective, web perspective, XML perspective. Like that, we have perspectives. Okay. Next, write it. There are many perspectives. First one, Java perspective. Second one, Java EE perspective. Third one, JPA perspective, Java persistence API. XML perspective, extensible markup language, dash dash, etc. A perspective is a layout of views and editors. There are many perspectives. First one, Java perspective. Second one, Java EE perspective. Third one, JPA perspective. Fourth one, XML perspective, dash dash, etc. JPA stands, Java EE stands for Java Platform Enterprise Edition. Java Platform word also you have to specify compulsory. JPA stands for Java Persistence API. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. There are many perspectives: Java perspective, Java EE perspective, JPA perspective, XML perspective, dash dash, etc. Java EE stands for Java Platform Enterprise Edition. JPA stands for Java Persistence API. XML stands for Extensible Markup Language. Java perspective supports to write core Java programs and JDBC programs. Java perspective supports to write core Java programs and JDBC programs. So if you want to write core Java program, if you want to write JDBC program, you have to select Java perspective. Next, Java EE perspective supports to write solid listeners, filters, JSP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, dash dash, etc. Java EE perspective supports to write solid listeners, filters, JSP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, dash dash, etc. So full stack Java student, those who didn't join till HTML, CSS, JavaScript batch, you join HTML also parallelly, as well as Oracle also parallelly you join. It is better. Those who didn't join till. So after festival holidays, batches are there. On 18th, I think. 18th Oracle is there. 18th HTML, CSS, JavaScript also is there. Those who didn't attend till, attend. See, Java perspective supports to write core Java programs and JDBC programs. Java EE perspective supports to write solid listeners, filters, JSP, HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc. Is it over? Now for writing JDBC program, what we record? Java. Okay. Next topic onwards, Java EE. Because next topic solids, after that solid listeners, after that filters, after that JSP. At that time only we use HTML, CSS, all will mix. Okay. Java perspective present we have to use. How to open perspective, how to close perspective. Note down. To open perspective. To open perspective. To open perspective. Window menu, perspective, other perspective, other. Click on window menu. Click on open perspective. Click on other. Select Java perspective. Click on window menu. Click on perspective. Click on open perspective. Click on other. Select Java perspective. So now we are writing JDBC program. That's what I selected Java. Next topic onwards, you have to select Java EE. Okay. Is it over? Say window, perspective, open perspective, other. Select Java. Click on open button. No done. Click on open button. Click on open button. Is it over? See, you observe previously it was different. Now package explorer, previously project explorer. Okay. Now present only 3 problems, Java doc, declaration. Previously markers, so many things are there, no? Servers, source declaration, so many. Here outline. So these views are different. Now present server not required. That's what server not came. Previously Java EE perspective server is there. See, like this, if you want to close, here perspective icon appears, you can close. Again, if you want to open, window, perspective, open perspective, other. Here Java EE, open. See, here different. Here so many projects are up there. See, observe project explorer. Here so many things are there. Okay. Here you observe, here also so many are there. Okay. Now here right click, close. Now next, to close perspective node. To close perspective. Right click on perspective icon. At top right corner. Click on close. Right click on perspective icon at top right corner. Click on close. Top right corner, click on close. So it is window, perspective, open perspective, other, select anyone, open. It is open. Here this is perspective icon. Okay, this is Java appears. So right click, close. See, window, perspective, open perspective, other, Java EE, open. Now an icon appears at top right corner. See, now this is Java EE. See, just if place the mouse pointer, Java EE shows. Close. Like this. Okay. To open perspective, to close perspective, like this. After that, you want to write one JDBC program. How to write? See, window, perspective. Which perspective required? Java. I selected Java. Okay. Now file, new, one Java package, Java project. Okay. Now Java project you have to click. Later you have to select class. You have to write package. You have to write program. I'll show you. Next. To write JDBC programs. To write JDBC programs. Open Java perspective. That is just open Java perspective I'm giving. The steps you have to follow. After that, click on new. Click on file menu. Click on new. Click on Java project. So to write JDBC programs, you have to follow. So how to open perspective, how to close perspective, you have seen. After this, to write JDBC programs, open Java perspective, click on file menu, click on new, click on Java project. First of all, Java perspective should be open, already opened. Okay. Is it over? Say file, new, Java project. Here type one project name. Say type project name, example JDBC. Okay. Here use default location. You observe here by default workspace is there, no? That is, if you want to change, you can uncheck this one, you can continue another workspace. So after opening also, if you want to change the workspace, possible. And which Java runtime environment, by default, whatever is in my system, that is working. If you want to change, you can change. Okay. Here you observe, use project layout. Here source files, dot class files, separate if you want, like this, both in the same place if you want, this one. Already you learn in core Java class, while creating packages, dot Java separate, dot class separate will create, no? That's the reason Eclipse automatically creates. But in core Java class, manually we did. With the core separate, dot Java separate, dot class, myself we did. But here Eclipse, what it will do, automatically creates. So that's what default settings, whatever is there, you continue as it is. No need to change this all. Just type project name, click on next. Then it shows here source file, dot class file, separate it maintain. Just click on finish. That's it. Okay. Now, after this, fifth one, type project name. Example JDBC. Click on next button. Click on finish button. Click on next button, click on finish button. So click on next button, click on finish button. Is it over? So type project name, example JDBC. Click on next button, click on finish button. After this, right click on JDBC, new class. Not done. Right click on JDBC in a project explorer. Package explorer, project package explorer. Right click on JDBC in a package explorer. Okay. Next, click on new. Click on class. Right click on JDBC in a package explorer. Click on new. Click on class. Is it over? Type package name. By default it will take, that is only whatever I given, it will take default. If you want, you can change here. It is project folder, it is package folder, another also you can change. Name, suppose connection demo, class name. Select the main method, click on finish button. Type class name. Example, connection demo. Select main method. Click on finish button. Select main method, click on finish button. So click on class, type class name, example connection demo. Select main method, click on finish button. Is it over? So connection demo, like I'm going to connect Java application to database. That is connection demo class name I given. Main method we have to select. Click on finish button. See, I written connection demo. I selected main method. I'll click on finish button. Now, here, this will automatically comes. This shortcut keys I'll give. How to increase the font, how to decrease the font, how to change the format, how to write. So many shortcut keys are there. Okay. Now, we have to write a program here. Now, how to establish the connection? What do you have to write? Class dot for name. Here, what we have to write? Oracle dot JDBC dot driver dot Oracle driver. Next, connection con equal to get connection. Get connection. So code assistant not working. 1 minute. Okay, next. JDBC colon 1521 XC. Next, manager. What are these? System manager. Okay. Now, this connection driver manager in which package? I'll give shortcut keys list also. I'll give shortcut keys. See, imported. Okay. Now imported. It is showing error only. 1 minute. In my system, path missed. Okay, 1 minute. Your shortcut keys for try-catch blocks also. See, shortcut keys, try-catch blocks also shortcut keys. Now, 1 minute. See, like this, you can write the program. System.out.println. Okay. This is also not working. Some problem is there. 1 minute. I know. That problem is software not matched. A code assistant also not coming. Code assistant also not coming. 1 minute. Actually, in my system, software lead. This is actually not. I didn't check directly given. See, 19 is there. There 17 is shown. That compatibility not there. 1 minute. In my system, Java 19 is there. But in Eclipse, what is shown? 17. See, while opening Java project, it has shown 17. The 17 is not there in my system. It is not showing also, you observe. Okay. Some problem is there. 1 minute. That is the reason it is code assistant also not showing. You observe. It is not coming. Code assistance also not working. Okay. Next, write it. Write the program in editor. Write the program in editor. Write the program in editor. Writing JDBC program like this you can do. Program already written, no need to write. To add jar file, I'll show you that is. To add jar file, to add jar file, to add jar file, right click, build path, configure build path. First, right click on JDBC in Package Explorer. Click on build path. Click on configure build path. Click on build path. Click on configure build path. To add jar file, click on build path. Right click on JDBC in a Package Explorer. Click on build path. Click on configure build path. Because jar file you have to attach OJDBC 6_G, 8_G, that purpose. See, right click, build path, configure build path. Here, libraries, class path, add external jar files. Not done. Click on libraries tab. Click on libraries tab. Click on class path. Click on add external jars button. Select OJDBC 6_G or 8_G, whatever is there in your system. One minute. The location already I taught. C drive, Oracle XE, app, Oracle product 11.2.0, server, JDBC, lib. In your system may be different. Right, this one. Select OJDBC 6_G.jar file from the following location. So Right click on JDBC in a package explorer. Click on build path. Click on configure build path. Click on libraries tab. Click on class path. Click on add external jars. Select this jar file from this location. Maybe in your system, location different. These all yourself also you can learn. And also, no one will ask in interview about Eclipse. Okay. After getting a job, like they may ask only one question: do you know Eclipse? If you say yes, also nothing will happen. If you say no, also nothing will happen. With Eclipse knowledge, they are not going to recruit. With Java knowledge, they'll recruit. Okay. Now we'll select C drive, Oracle XC app, Oracle product 11.2.0 server, JDBC lib. Open. Click on open, click on apply and close. Click on open button. Click on apply and close button. Last one, to run the above application. To run the above application, right click on JDBC. In a package explorer. Click on run as. Click on Java application. Click on run as, click on Java application. Select connection demo. Otherwise, directly right click on connection demo. Like that also possible. If you do like this, what will happen? It will ask run as Java application. So here you have to select connection demo. Okay. Click on OK. Directly, if you select, right click on connection demo directly. Click on OK. Those who didn't get without Eclipse. Now with Eclipse, very simple. Class path setting, many people are getting class not found exception, class not found exception. Now with Eclipse, that problem will not occur because you are adding jar file only. You are not typing. That's what that problem will never occur. But maybe in a oracle.jdbc.driver. There, that line mistake is there. Again, class not found exception only comes. Already have shown. So those are getting those problems. Already videos are there. You watch again because already 11 videos I shared in Google Classroom. In that it is there. You can watch. Okay. Tomorrow I'll show you. Tomorrow that programs I'll show you. After that, next concept I'll continue. Holidays. That is tomorrow I'll tell you. 14, 15, 16 confirm. Okay. These 3 days are confirmed. But remaining days, either 17 or 13, that is tomorrow I'll tell you. Okay. 14, 15, 16 is confirmed. Online student, my mail ID. Okay, my mail ID, this one. That's working on VS Code. That's working on VS Code. VS Code. Yes. Oh. Not work on VS Code. Any VS Code is there. Sir, Wait, online students, just wait. I'll clarify one by one. Google Classroom link. Google Classroom link already I gave. Okay, once again you want. This is Google Classroom link. This is Google Classroom link. Next, Akhil Kumar, what is your doubt? Choose open. Mayank Pandey. Just to contact admin only. I have no idea about that. Okay, otherwise I'll tell you tomorrow. Tomorrow I'll ask them. I'll tell you. 14, 15, 16, 3 days holidays confirm. But 13, 17, about that, I'll tell you tomorrow. Spring batch, actually spring requires solids knowledge, but if you don't have a time, you can join. My mail ID, I given venkatesh.mansani@yahoo.com. In a notes header and footer, my mail ID will be there. Suresh, Sunday no classes. Sunday no class. I didn't take Sunday. I didn't take, that is cancelled. Program, I shared in notes. Nikhil, program, JDBC program in Java only or right? Java perspective. Remaining topics in JDBC, so many are there. I'll teach. Not completed, just only one statement completed. Notes I shared in Google Classroom. JDBC program, no need to write because that is already taught. That program only written today. Yeah, JDBC solids required to learn. To learn Spring also required. To learn other frameworks also required. Classes directly instead of package. You can. It directly in server also will deploy later. JDBC also important only. Yeah, Eclipse tomorrow I'll see. I'll teach again. Because anyhow my Eclipse is not working now. Tomorrow I'll show you. Yeah. I'll give a replay. Like last 2 Sundays only, I didn't get a time to give a replay. That's what I didn't give. Definitely I'll give. Yeah, notes, weekly notes up to yesterday class notes is there. At a time I uploaded. Daily I'm not uploading. At a time uploaded. Up to today class notes is there. Up to yesterday class. Up to yesterday class notes is there. You can check it. Advanced Java videos, they won't provide videos. Only this 11 only. Offline also you can join. Google Classroom link. This is only Google Classroom link. Okay, you want in chat box? Okay. Chat box I pasted Google Classroom link. Yeah, JDB is also required. Sunday I didn't take class. I cancelled. Sunday I didn't take class. I cancelled. Jar file tomorrow I'll show you again. Okay, once again, I'll show you. Spring actually, Saulet's knowledge required. If you don't have a time, you can join. Harshit, SQL recoverable exception, it is not possible to solve. JDBC 11th point. 11th point. 11th point. Yeah, frameworks also nowadays they're asking. Microservices, Spring Boot, all they are asking nowadays. HTML required, even if you don't know, you can understand. No need to worry. SQL recoverable exception we cannot solve. That is, again, you have to uninstall, install. You have to uninstall Oracle software, you have to install. Redeem my. Yeah, your program is right. Recoverable exception not possible to solve. Uninstall Eclipse, uninstall Oracle. Oracle lib folder, JDBC lib folder. Yes, under JDBC lib folder. Tomorrow I'll explain again because this Eclipse not working. No, I'll show you tomorrow.